be alive. I'm happy to be on the world. We're so busy trying to find things to fulfill our happiness, money, alcohol, drugs, and we don't feel happy, we don't feel fulfilled, and that's because only one thing can really fulfill what we want. We need Jesus, God. Our spirit thirsts to have that relationship with Him. And every day I wake up and I'm happy because I know Jesus. I know my soul feels happy. My soul sings and cries for Him. And He's the only way you can find true joy. And it's trying to escape His glory and perfection. It's ridiculous. And He wants to love you and He wants to be there for you, and we just have to let Him do what He wants to do.